Hello student, so today we are going to learn our third chapter. The chapter name is Excel database. So we have to learn so far how to make the uses of electronic spreadsheet program in Microsoft Excel 2010 for creating the worksheet and to represent in the tabular information in the formatted manner, means in the form of rows and column. So we learn the uses of formula for automatic calculation, and we also learn the chart to represented in the data values in the pictorial form of quick data analysis. But there are some certain specific operation which help us to use the worksheet data in a specific manner for taking certain decisions. So these operations are generally referred to as database function, means it's specialized database management system. So today we are going to learn about the DBMS. DBMS means the database management system. Still it is provides many such function in it. So in this chapter we learn about these features. So what is meant by database? The database means the structured information organized in the form of rows and columns in such a way that the required piece of information can be quickly retrieved from it. It called as a database. So in this database terminology, the information stored in the row is called as a record, and while the information stored in the column is called as a field. A record helps to show the complete information about the single object or the atom, while the field show the individual categories of information for all the record in the database. For example, in the student table, a single row shows the complete information about the one student, while in the column we can see the name of all student or the roll number of all the student in the another column. So let us start with some special operation which can be used to work on such a database. So the record means in this database terminology the information stored in the row wise, and the field means the information stored in a column wise. So next, so the first is data sorting. What is meant by sorting? So the sorting is the process of rearranging the record according to the particular field's values, either in an ascending or descending order. So let's practically demonstrate it. So first is data sorting. So the data sorting means rearranging the record in ascending and descending order. So the Excel allows to sort the data record on the multiple levels. So there are some steps to sort the record in Excel table. So first, select the cell in data sheet, then go to the data tab. In the data tab, the sort and the filter group here, there is the sort option here. When we click on the sort option, the sort dialog box will be appear here. Then in the sort by, the drop down button, select the field name on which the record are to be sorted. So I choose the science. Then sort on drop down button list, choose the values option. You can also perform the sorting operation based on cell color, font color and cell icon. So I choose the values. Then in the order drop down list, you can as the order to choose you needed. Okay, then it can also be A to Z or Z to A for the text value field, and smallest to largest or largest to smallest for the numerical field. So I choose largest to smallest. Then if you want to add a new level, in this way you also add a new level. If you want to delete the level, in this way you also delete the level. So Then so the whole sorting process is complete. Then click OK button, means the data record will be get rearranged on the selected field values in the worksheet. So OK. So in this way data will be sorted in ascend largest to smallest. Is filtering record. So what is meant by filtration? So the filtration is the process of extracting the record in the database that meets a certain condition specified for a field. So let's practically demonstrate it. So filtering the record. So the filtration is the process that extracting the record in the database. So first select the data cell. Then in the data tab, the filter and the sort and the filter group here. Click on the filter option, choose the filtered option. So the filter drop down button will be appear the right side from the each field. Name in the column header row. Okay. So if you want to filter the record with the same data values in the particular field, so click on the drop down arrow of that field name. Okay, in this way. So this list is appear to showing the unique values of that column along with the options select all and with the checks by default. Okay. And if you uncheck the select all option to remove the checks from all the unique values and check only those values related record you want to see. So in this way you have to select only that record you want to see. Then click the OK button and hide the unwanted record. So look at here, the Rohit record will be hide.
Thank you student watching this video very carefully. If you like my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, means my new uploaded video gives a notification to you. Thank you all dear students.